So I put a little olive oil last night after I cooked all these up. So I generally do a half cup. Half a cup of mayo.
Oh, and I love this, that you don't measure anything. That's the sign of a good cook.
Or somebody who's really lucky sometimes.
That's about a half a cup right
That's
there.
about half a cup right there. You stopped me.
Yeah.
I was trying to give a little extra to it, you know. I put a little bit of, excuse my fingers, a little bit of lemon. I do this so I can catch the seeds.
Yeah.
About a tablespoon.
Okay.
And about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I like really extra virgin.
Yeah, would be the best for this, of course. Yeah. Well, that wasn't 2 tablespoons, but
Come on, how
a
much?
little bit more.
How much? Give me.
Yeah, a little bit more. Okay, good. Now we're there. Yeah.
That's so the ratio isn't off with my extra mayonnaise.
Yeah.
And then a little bit of salt. There, that's a quarter teaspoon there. And you want something that everybody can enjoy and have a little variety.
Right.
So I happen to make these ahead of time just so they'd be right. But I would make them in the afternoon and serve them in the evening.
But they're really mild and delicious.
They're
not fishy at all.
No, and they're tender. And I like to cook them this way and do them cold because they're like little bites of filet mignon or something. They're just
That's a good way to put it. We should try this filet mignon now that we're here. Here's a toothpick for you.
There we go.
So, pick your sauce. Let's see.
I'm going to try, let's see.
I'm going with the classic.
The classic, all right.
It's great.
Is it good?
It's nice and fresh.